Hey compressed air friends, I just wanted to take a minute to show you guys this air compressor. This thing is near and dear to my heart. I've been best friends with this air compressor for, I don't know, probably the better part of a decade. So this is an old Quincy, and originally this had the original power sync controller on it with the the two little red displays up here, and the big green or the blue display right here in the middle. And those are now obsoleted from Quincy. They no longer support those. So when those go bad, you have to either pull the boards and have them fixed, find them used, whatever. But this one here probably, oh goodness, what is it, coming up on 2026 now? So probably 7-8 years ago, I guess, maybe longer, I don't remember exactly, but anyway. So this had that original power sync in it. I retrofit it over to the AirLogic 2 here, and I just wanted to show you guys this. This was a neat project. To this day, Quincy still does not offer a retrofit kit, so you have to figure out how to do this for yourself. It's honestly not too bad to do. You can see I took some black plastic and just kind of refaced this whole thing here. Got that sweet new style power sync name badge. And let's go ahead and let's pop the disconnect off here. That way nobody online yells at me for getting in a live cabinet. But you can see there's the transition board Quincy makes. So all your I/O and everything is going to pop right into here, and then you've got these connectors that run up to the controller. And I mean, honestly, it's just a matter of knowing what wires do what and how it all fits together. Again, this is old school, so we got the separate icons module for remote monitoring and whatnot, and then I put this power monitor on here, and this actually gives a 4 to 20 milliamp output or overall system amperage that goes into so I had to put a separate I/O module, had to mount it on the door because, I mean, where are you going to put it in there? So I mounted this I/O module up here on the door, and that is specifically for that 4 to 20 signal coming from there. What this actually allows the customer to do is they can look on their icons now, and they can actually see their power monitor reading in real time via icons remote monitoring. Again, I was a Quincy guy when I set all this up, so I set that up through icons. I would do that differently nowadays, but shh, don't tell anybody. But anyway, so like I said, I just wanted to show you guys this because these old school power syncs, these are not supported from Quincy anymore. If you have one and you have a microprocessor failure, hit me up. I actually have a BOM that will give you all the part numbers and everything you need to be able to put this in here, right down to the black plastic facing, this power sync name badge. The controller now is going to be an AirLogic Touch, but the kit that you need that will give you that transition board, it gives you your sensors, your wiring harnesses, everything you need to convert this thing over. I've got that BOM. And then I actually have, I'm going to have to go through and update it for the Touch, but I actually have a step-by-step guide as well that will tell you exactly step-by-step what you need to do to convert this over to the new style controls. And maybe in the near future, you might, I emphasize might, you might see one of these old PowerSync controllers get converted to a Solaire STS that still runs the lift valves. So that'll be an interesting project if that one hits. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. Have a good one, friends.